Hello, my name is Charmaine Sharp. I'm going to be talking about the Pavlov dog experiment that took place many years ago. And if you see me looking at my phone, I'm just reading off of the notes because I don't know what I'm saying verbatim. Okay, so in the experiment, Pavlov presented a piece of meat to the dogs, which will usually make dogs salivate. We all know that if you put something in front of a dog, we've all seen dogs and fed them, that they will start to salivate. Like they start drooling, or you'll see signs that they want it. So he called that behavior an unconditioned stimulus because it is something that happens naturally, and it's basically something that doesn't have to be taught. So you don't have to teach a dog to salivate when they see food. They're going to do it automatically. Pavlov, so this is the beginning of his experiment that I'm about to start explaining. So Pavlov first started ringing a bell in front of the dogs, but nothing really happened, which is called a neutral stimulus. A neutral stimulus is just like it is nothing good is happening, nothing bad is happening, nothing is happening at all. So he then started to ring the bell. Later after that, he then started to ring a bell while presenting meat at the same time. To associate the ringing of the bell with the meat so that the dogs will salivate later to the sound of the bell when rung. This is called acquisition. So basically, acquisition is when you associate one thing to another. So basically, every time he rings the bell, he wants the dog to salivate. He wants it to associate it with meat without meat even being around. Okay, so that's basically what happened. Eventually, Pavlov took the meat away and just rung the bell by itself, and the dog still began to salivate. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. At this point, the bell is no longer the neutral stimulus, but it's now a conditioned stimulus because it now produces a stimulus from a dog, meaning a reaction. It finally produces a reaction from the dog. At this point, Pavlov has taught his dogs to salivate to the sound of bells because they finally associated the bell with meat. I believe that Pavlov's experiments had a major impact on our understanding of how learning takes place, as well as the development of school of behavior psychology. Thank you for listening to my video, and I hope you guys learned something. Okay, bye class.